Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View looking at the week ahead. A bright and chilly start to the new week across the Highlands, with easterly winds that will continue and still rather gusty across higher mountains, northern and western parts in particular seeing speeds touching gale force at times around some exposed tops. Temperatures will be near or below freezing point across the mountains, so do be prepared for that significant wind chill factor, but some sunshine around and the best of that across more western regions of the Highlands, some patchy cloud covering the high tops at times, most of that towards the east. One or two showers locally, but largely a dry story for the Highlands. Remnants of previous rain across the borders and into the Pennine regions will give some drizzle and rather extensive low cloud, especially in the morning. It may hang on with that cloud across the Pennines and the lakes for a good part of the day. Some showery conditions across Wales, one or two heavy bursts again around some coastal regions coming in from the south. A touch of frost in the glens and some fog patches locally across the Highlands on Tuesday morning, but a fine day in prospect for much of Scotland with some sunshine, fairly light winds compared to previous days, still a little bit gusty in places around some of the western summits. For northern England, still variable amounts of cloud and the risk of the odd patch of drizzle or a local shower, which could just drift around quite slowly, and again some showers just clipping the western parts of Wales. The next weather system is waiting in the wings to the southwest with another front coming in for some rain by the afternoon into the evening for south and west Wales. That will sweep in through the evening and move northwards across England and into the south of Scotland as we head overnight into Wednesday. And as we go to dawn on Wednesday, that is likely to be pretty extensive into the Highlands, maybe just the far north escaping dry until early on Wednesday morning. But some heavy falls of rain and falling as snow across the Scottish mountains, maybe even to quite moderate elevations as that front runs into the cold air that exists across the mountains. Temperatures will tend to rise from the south across Scotland during the day, and rain will break up to become somewhat more showery, with some heavier showers in the forecast for England and across Wales, coming in on a strong to near gale force west or southwesterly wind. And another centre of low pressure is approaching from the southwest. Now that is what has already been named Storm Ciarán, which is set to bring some very lively weather later in the week. There is uncertainty of exact detail, and it could well be that the strongest of the winds associated with that system are further to the south of England, but nevertheless a very wet and windy spell for all. Again, some heavy rain could pivot around into eastern Scotland, which is most unwanted at this time, and the risk of some gales across the higher mountains through the day. Some snowfall possible again over the higher Scottish tops, where temperatures will stay near to freezing point. Friday keeps low pressure in charge, weakening from the previous day, but still windy with the risk of gales and some showers with some snow and hail over the higher mountains, some brighter spells more likely further east. The next centre of low pressure, I'm afraid, is already waiting to the southwest to come in for the weekend. Make the most of the start of this week then, if you can, on the mountains. That is your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.